Business motivational quotes in Hindi are one of the best ways to take your business to the next level because whenever you started a business they need lots of motivation to do their business. Sometimes you get excellent profit, but sometimes you lose also, and due to these many people lose their hope in that situation. These business motivational quotes really gon' help you out. A businessman has a different positive attitude in his life and they grow from failure. Common people think that a successful businessman has a great financial background, but that's not true all the time. Many of the successful businessmen come from the deplorable condition, and these business motivational quotes in Hindi English help you out to take the correct decision and motivate you to do your best in every field on your life. After reading and understanding these business motivational quotes, your brain automatically generated many different business ideas to grow your business. Also, we provide a particular section of business ideas quotes in this article down below. You must check that and mention your favorite business motivational quotes in the comment box. All the reads of Morning Ming will definitely get success in their life after reading and sharing these quotes. So, without wasting time, let's get started. 1. The most important step a man can take. It's not the first one, is it? It's the next one. Always the next step. दलीना. एक आदमी सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठा सकता है. यह पहली बार नहीं है, क्या यह है? यह अगले एक है. हमेशा अगला कदम. दलीनार. 2. If you have a goal, write it down. If you do not write it down, you do not have a goal, you have a wish. यदि आपके पास एक लक्ष्य है तो इसे लिखें. यदि आप इसे नहीं लिखते हैं तो आपके पास एक लक्ष्य नहीं है, आपकी एक इच्छा है. 3. If you care about something enough, you'll find a way to make it happen. यदि आप किसी चीज की पर्याप्त देखभाल करते हैं तो आपको ऐसा करने का एक तरीका मिलेगा. 4. Do not let your negative thoughts have power over you because those thoughts will end up controlling your life. No one can live a positive life with a negative mind. अपने नकारात्मक विचारों को आप पर हावी न होने दें, क्योंकि वे विचार आपके जीवन को नियंत्रित करेंगे. कोई भी व्यक्ति नकारात्मक दिमाग के साथ सकारात्मक जीवन नहीं जी सकता है. 5. There is no more profitable investment than investing in yourself. It is the best investment you can make. You can never go wrong with it. It is the true way to improve yourself to be the best version of you and lets you be able to best serve those around you. अपने आप में निवेश करने से ज्यादा लाभदायक कोई निवेश नहीं है. यह सबसे अच्छा निवेश है जिसे आप कर सकते हैं. आप इसके साथ कभी गलत नहीं कर सकते. अपने आप को सर्वश्रेष्ठ संस्करण बनाने के लिए खुद को बेहतर बनाने का यह सही तरीका है और आपको अपने आसपास के लोगों की सेवा करने में सक्षम बनाता है. 6. One must always be prepared for riotous and endless waves of transformation. हमेशा परिवर्तन की दंगाई और अंतहीन लहरों के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए.